I love making teapots so much that I tried drinking tea just so that I could use them. It was disgusting, so I learned how to make coffee pots, and you can too. First, we're going to take a measurement with a leather hard pot. Typically, you take your measurements for a lid when things are still really soft, but we'll get to that later. To make our pour over, we're going to separate a big pad of clay at the bottom, and then we'll pull up that cone on top of it. I love making teapots, but I absolutely despise tea, so making these pour over coffee pots is easily my favorite. The shape for this is really simple and it's honestly pretty straightforward. The hard work here is done when we start trimming. Just make sure it's big enough for a coffee filter and that it has a nice angle to it. And here's where we're going to use that measurement from before. I'll use my calipers to mark out exactly where I want to trim this foot. And then it's as simple as just trimming away what doesn't belong. If you want to be able to pour your coffee while your lid is still on, make sure that this is a nice deep foot. And then the last thing to do is to cut a hole in the center for the coffee to drip through. I use a needle tool for this, but you can also use a drill bit or a hole cutter. And then we'll just test for the perfect fit, and your coffee pot's ready for you to make that perfect cup of coffee.